Sample 19 is called Melon. It was collected from the Berea outcrop from the Upper Fan campaign. This particular sample, Melon, is unique because it is the first sample of the Upper Fan campaign. It's unique also because it represents deposition in an ancient river versus an ancient lake deposits like we were seeing lower down at the Delta Front campaign.
This sample is interesting because it has a lot of carbonate, which was exciting because we're seeing that story continued across the different regions in Jezero Crater. So we saw some variations in the crater floor, then in the Delta Front, and now in the Upper Fan. This can start to tell us about a flow that may have happened, or how widespread the water was, or if the crater was filled multiple times with water, like it was filled and then dried and filled and then dried. How would that show up in terms of diversity and region within the crater?
This rock was deposited from flowing rivers that carried material from outside the crater into the crater and deposited them along the Upper Fan here. And so we're interested in learning more about where these rocks came from. And because these were carried in from river channels from outside Jezero, this is the perfect sample to answer those questions.
This sample is part of the collection on the rover that will hopefully be brought back to Earth.